Welcome class 7. Today we will learn about terminating, non-terminating and recurring decimals. First, terminating decimals. Let's say that there is a decimal number 24.57 to be divided by 9. And when you divide 24.57 by 9, you will divide 24 2 times. 9 times 2 gives you 18, and when you subtract you will get 6. And now you put the decimal on top on the quotients portion. Okay, then comes down 5. 9 times 7 gives 63. When you subtract you will get 2, and 7 comes down, and 9 times 3 gives 27, which gives us the remainder 0. So here the remainder is 0, or we can say there is no remainder left. Then we can say that the quotient which comes out here, the quotient ends or terminates when the remainder comes out to be 0. This means that there is no number after this part, the decimals. Okay, it does not continue, it terminates. So this kind of decimals are called terminating decimals. So over here the answer is 2.73. Okay, so the terminating decimal ends and it does not have the continuous type of answers. It will be more clear if we discuss about non-terminating decimals. So here I have taken the example of 13.78 being divided by 7. So let's divide 13.78 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So when you subtract, you will get 6. And we have to put this decimal on the quotient. So you have to shift it from the dividend. Okay, then 7 comes down. 7 times 9 gives us 63, and when you subtract you will get 4. And now 8 comes down, and 7 times 6 gives us 42. Then 6 comes down as the remainder, and if you keep on doing this, okay, now 0, because after decimal there are zeros. Okay, 13.78 and 000, you can put as many zeros. Now you can bring down 0 over here, and this number will continue. This means the remainder comes again and again, and if you keep on dividing, then these numbers keep on coming. That means it is not ending. So this kind of remainder, if it does not end, is called non-terminating decimals. So over here the answer is 1.96 ... This means that the remainder does not finish, and it means that if you keep on doing the division continuously, it will keep on moving forward. So this kind of decimals which keeps on coming, which is continuous, is called non-terminating decimals. Next we have recurring decimals. So here the example I have taken is 10 divided by 3. So let's divide 10 by 3. Now you know how to divide. 3 times 3 gives 9. 10 minus 9 gives 1. Now if it is only 10, this means that if you put a decimal over here, then this whole number 10 can be written in the form of decimal like 10.000, like this. Okay, now you shift the decimal from here on the quotient side, then comes down 0. Now again the divisor becomes the dividend becomes 10, and 3 times 3 gives 9. Again if you subtract you will get 1, and again comes 0, and this process continues. Okay, you will keep on getting the remainder equal to 1, and the quotient continues to be 3.3333. Okay, so here we can see that the quotient repeats the same number again and again. So it reoccurs again and again. Here the remainder does not finish and the digit in the quotient keeps repeating. So this kind of decimal is called recurring decimal.